Beloved ones, listen carefully. There is a law written in the heavens, a law older than time, a law that governs the destiny of all who walk this earth. Nothing truly worthwhile is given cheaply. Victory is not won in a single day. Success is not found in a hidden shortcut. The crown, the radiant crown of fulfillment, prosperity, achievement, and peace, is placed only upon the heads of those who endure, those who persist, those who invest their full heart into effort. This is why I call this message the crown of effort. For effort is not merely hard work. Effort is the alignment of heart, mind, body, and spirit toward a purpose. Effort is the evidence of faith. Effort is the seed you plant in the soil of life, knowing that the harvest is certain if you faint not. Let us unfold this truth step by step. The law of effort. Florence Scovel Shinn often said, "There is no loss in divine mind, and as one door shuts, another door is opened." Yet how are these new doors found? Through effort. Persistent, faith-filled effort. Effort is not struggle. Effort is not frantic striving. True effort is steady, disciplined motion born from trust in divine order. When you give your best daily, with faith, with joy, with courage, the universe aligns itself to your movement. Imagine a farmer who prepares the ground, plants the seed, waters the soil. He cannot command the rain, nor force the sun to shine. Yet his effort ensures that when the rains come, when the sun returns, a harvest will appear. Without his effort, even the richest soil remains barren. So too with your life, divine supply waits to pour forth, but it requires the channel of your consistent effort. Effort vs struggle. Many confuse effort with struggle. Let us make the difference clear. Struggle is heavy, born of fear, it says. If I don't push hard enough, I will fail. Effort is light, born of faith, it says, I move forward knowing all things work together for my good. Struggle drains, effort sustains. Struggle resists, effort flows. Struggle fears, effort trusts. When your work is infused with faith, it ceases to be struggle. It becomes joyous effort, the kind that attracts divine favor. Persistence. The hidden key winners are not crowned for starting, they are crowned for finishing. Many begin the race. Few finish it. Many say, I will try. Few say, I will not stop until I win. The world often crowns talent, beauty, or luck for a moment, but the universe crowns persistence eternally. Consider the stonecutter. He strikes the rock 100 times with no visible crack. Then on the 101st strike, the stone breaks open. Was it that final blow that broke it? No, it was every single effort before it, unseen, uncelebrated, but necessary. So it is with your dreams. Every effort counts. Every prayer counts. Every step counts. The crown of effort is not placed suddenly. It is woven daily by persistence. The crown and the cross, remember this. Every crown is carried as a cross before it is worn as glory. Before a king is crowned, he endures trials. Before a victor receives the medal, they endure sweat, sacrifice, and pain. Before the harvest comes, there is plowing, planting, and waiting. The crown of effort is invisible at first. It looks like long nights, failures, tears, and small victories no one notices. But in the unseen, the crown is being formed. Do not despise the cross of effort, for it is secretly your crown. The effort is faith in action. Faith without works is dead. Affirmations without action are empty. Prayer without effort is incomplete. Effort is the bridge between the invisible and the visible, between the spoken word and the manifested result. When you affirm, I am guided, I am prosperous, I am victorious, your effort proves your faith. Each step says to the universe, I believe what I have spoken. I will act as though it is already done. Effort is faith in motion. Effort creates momentum. A small stream, persistent in effort, can carve through stone. A small flame, steady in effort, can light the darkest cave. Your consistent effort, though small today, builds momentum. Momentum attracts opportunities. Momentum turns weakness into strength. Momentum carries you through seasons when motivation fades. Do not underestimate daily effort. It may look small now, but compounded over time, it becomes unstoppable. The stories of the crown history is filled with men and women crowned by effort. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before the light bulb shone. His crown was persistence. Florence Scovel Shinn herself faced rejection before her books spread worldwide. Her crown was faith-filled effort. Every mother who raises a child with love wears the crown of daily sacrifice. Every student who studies late into the night, believing in a brighter future, is weaving their crown thread by thread. Greatness is never sudden. It is built through relentless effort. Effort and divine timing. Effort does not mean forcing results. You do your part, and trust divine timing for the rest. As Florence taught, infinite spirit opens the way for my immediate supply. Everything I need is now released to me by divine right. Your job is the effort. God's job is the timing. Do not dig up your seed because the harvest seems delayed. Water it with patience, with affirmations, with consistent work. The season will change, and when it does, your effort will bloom. Wearing the crown one day, you will look back and see the crown that effort placed upon your head. Every night you chose persistence over quitting. Every morning you rose again after failure. Every prayer you lived out through action. These moments are the jewels of your crown, and when the world sees the crown, they may call you lucky. But you will know, luck did not place this crown upon you. Faith, persistence, discipline, and effort did. Affirmations of effort. Let us affirm together, I am crowned with strength and persistence. My effort is guided by divine wisdom. Every step I take is blessed and multiplied. The harder I work in faith, the greater my reward. The crown of effort is already mine, shining with glory. Repeat these daily, speak them as truth, live them through action. Beloved, never forget crowns are not given. Crowns are earned, not by luck, not by chance, but by consistent, faith-filled effort. The road may be long, the nights may feel endless, but the law is sure those who persist will wear the crown. So rise again, walk again, work again, pray again, believe again. Your crown is waiting, the crown of effort.